I just went to a thrift event over in Hartford, Connecticut, looked up some thrift stores, and this one came up in Bloomfield, so let's go see what's inside. I mean, that's nice. It's not leather, but it's pretty nice. Mellow World? Maybe. Oh, you know what? This looks like Marc Jacobs for a second. How rude. There's a Kate Spade, but it's got jacked up handles. This one looks nice. This is leather. Who are you? Okay, it's Betsy Johnson. The lining is ripped, but I have to see, maybe I can sew it. Let me look better. So I was gonna get it because it's only $5.99 and I would have been able to sew it, but it's missing beads and a grommet. So unfortunately, I'm gonna leave it here, but this leather is amazing. What do we think about that one? That's kind of cute. There's no brand, but that is adorable. Let me check it over for damage. Okay, I decided that I need a cart. Okay, let's continue. I mean, this is leather. This is a little vintage. Oh, never mind. Oops, and it fell off the rack. Okay. Nope. I mean, that's kind of cute. Who are you? Oh, you're Anthropology? Okay. But you're $14.99 and I'm gonna put you back. Okay, oh, this is plastic. Oh, this feels like leather. Who are you? I think that's a Canadian brand. Unfortunately, she's got some transfer, so she's gonna go back. Okay, I do pick up faux leather bags, not all the time, but I do because not everyone likes leather. This is the sack. Let's see. I'm actually gonna put this back. It's not the sack, and I'm not paying 20 bucks. Okay. This is Cole Haan, but it smells like mold and the corners are busted. These are the last few bags. Okay. That was it. This is Michael Kors. So let's take a closer look at that. Oh, never mind. The edge coat is all missing. Okay, never mind. I'm back through the purses. Always go back through. This is new with tag. Kate Landry, which is a really good brand. It's all leather and woven straw. Gorgeous. Always check top of the racks. This travel on, that's not terrible. Okay, what's this? Not sure. Anne Klein, that's really nice. It's fake leather, but maybe. Okay, let's see what else they have. I've always learned if it's a maybe, put it in your cart and figure it out later. Because if you don't put it in your cart, somebody else will put it in their cart. That's Cole Haan. Okay, let's take a better look. I don't know if it's supposed to be like this, but there's almost like burns on the bottom, and they're not equally separated from each other, so I'm going to put it back. Also going to put this back because there's a little bit of ripping on the inside. I'm putting this back because that's a little pricey. Here's the Kate Spade wallet, but it is very worn and they want 15 bucks for it. Yikes. Looks like about it over here. Other section I check is shoes. Okay, just doing a little, I mean, I don't know if those, I don't really deal with sneakers. I don't know much about Jordans and all that stuff, so I just kind of skip over that. And I feel like it's too much for me to learn at this point. Not really interested. So let's see. These look like leather, I guess. Heel is a little messed up. Oh, those are nice. Your Vince Camuto, size 8.5. 15. Okay, that's definitely high. I don't know if that's mold or what, but 15 is a little high. But they're brand new. You know what? I'm gonna put it in my cart and think about it. These are cute. Oh, Donald Pliner. Brand new for $7.99. Hello. Yes, please. Okay, it's not the right season yet, but it will be. Okay, nothing else is really... Oh look, we have Salvador Ferragamo. But they're pretty messed up. 15. They're gonna have to stay. Yeah, look at that. These are Coach. 15. Not bad, but that heel is really high, so we're gonna pass. Look at these. Pretty cool. These are Bowden. Bowden is a really great brand, but the suede is kind of icky. And that's all I see. So I spy these up here. These are Rebecca Minkoff, and they're an 8.5. Oh my gosh, I love Rebecca Minkoff. I might be keeping these for myself. $7.99, brand new. So we'll get them. I think I might put these back. I don't know. I mean, they are brand new. I think this is just like the salt, like from all the snow. Somebody tried them on. I don't know. Never skip the luggage section. Sometimes people, like the staff, put totes in here, and you can find some real gems. I don't see any here, but it's always worth the look. Wait, what is that up there? Did somebody hide these? Oh my gosh, this is gonna come down on me. Somebody definitely hid those up there. There's a Michael Kors wallet and a bag. Let me look at the condition and I'll report back. Okay, the purse is good. There's just a little bit of wear right here, but other than that, she's good to go. I am gonna pass on the Michael Kors wallet though, because it has a lot of cracking. So that can be for somebody else. And plus, they want $11.99, which is a little gray. I also like to take a look at the jackets, especially during the winter season and when the seasons change, because people usually like to donate their winter clothes and stuff when the spring hits. This is really nice. It is all leather and suede, and it's only 15 bucks, but it's very small, so unfortunately it's gonna stay. Is this leather too? Yeah, again though, very small. Damn. Okay, let's go check out. Bag secured. If that wasn't a success, I don't know what is, because I can't even find this stuff when I go locally.